can you help me? My dreads are so skinny and they will not grow. Yes, I have a perfect answer for you. If your dreadlocks are skinny, you can simply combine them by instantly locking them together. Now, of course, if your hair is a little short, wait for them to grow a little bit longer and then pull them together using a Greatlocs crochet hook. Here's how you can do that. Hold the dreadlocks together, go through one dreadlock with the crochet hook, grab the other one with the end of the crochet hook, and then pull it through. And then constantly do this until the dreadlock is completely pulled together. But I would caution you, if your hair isn't any longer than 4 to 6 inches, just let your hair get a little bit longer before you make the decision of combining them. You'll be surprised how thick your dreadlocks will become over time. Now, if your dreadlocks aren't growing, it's because you're in the beginning stage, meaning that your hair is still maturing. If your hair is maturing, then it's trying to really just get tighter and tighter. So what you're experiencing is shrinkage, not your hair not growing. Because remember, your hair grows out from the roots. Anything past that is new growth. And keep in mind, your hair grows about a ½ inch a month, meaning that your hair is going to grow a complete 6 inches every single year. But that first year of locking up your hair, don't be surprised if you're not experiencing a whole lot of growth. It's because your hair hasn't locked up completely. But once it's completely locked up, it's going to grow from that point onward. It's going to seem like your hair is growing extremely fast when in reality you're just experiencing your actual hair growth. So my answer to all you guys who want your hair to grow fast is just be patient. But there are ways to promote hair growth, meaning that you're not making your hair grow slower. So to promote hair growth, have a healthy scalp, and to have a healthy scalp is to wash your hair on a regular basis. Also, don't put a whole lot of products into your hair because that's going to cover your scalp, and with your scalp being covered, it makes it hard for the hair to actually grow out. So keep that in mind. And just some quick proof to you guys that you can grow your hair out really fast. Watch my year transformation right here. And that just goes to show that in a year my hair grew this much and your hair will do the same thing. Just be patient. If you guys have a question, make sure to DM me on the Lock Doctor on Instagram. See you guys in the next one.